What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today is day 4 of rebuilding the backyard bike park here. Yesterday we cleared out kind of the first section of the pump track. Now we're gonna clear out kind of the last straightaway kind of, and then hopefully maybe start adding some like rollers and jumps and berms and stuff. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so we just took a little break, and now we're gonna keep working here. We got this done here, got the pipe installed. So we're gonna keep piling some more dirt, and then hopefully smooth out this whole section here. I doubt we're gonna get to like adding any rollers or anything tonight, just because this is taking longer than I thought to fill all this stuff. But let's jump right into a time lapse. Alright, so we just finished this part. Still need to do a little work smoothing this out. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put some of like the good dirt on here, because like this is super soft, and like it's also kind of a low point right here, so I want it to drain good. So I think I'm just gonna put the good dirt basically on all of this, because I don't want it like falling apart like this. And then we'll start smoothing this out and stuff. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so I think that's where we're gonna wrap up day 4 of rebuilding the backyard bike park here. We got this whole stretch done, or this whole stretch. I did start clearing out back there a little bit, but it's just getting a little too dark now. Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.